in the spirit of spooky season, I am opening my second month of Lootcrate, the Fright box. So it's supposed to be horror, scary stuff. So it comes in this black box, and all you can tell that it's Fright is because it says Fright right here. I brought some decor from my living room for the background because I'm a mix of Disney and horror and glitter. So kind of is fitting. So let's open her up and see what's inside. As a reminder, I do not get this for free. It's not, be great if I could think. So it's not a paid sponsorship. I'm not given even a coupon code or anything. This is all out of my pocket. I think this guy is like $36 and it's a bi-monthly subscription. So every 2 months. So let's see how we can open it up. Guys, I'm struggling. I have a tendency to open stuff upside down. So here we go. I'll show you first. Oops. Okay, it helps if I open the lid. Dun, 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 dun. Fright Loot Crate. Okay, let's see what we have inside. So this says, oh, a Clockwork Orange milk bottle. If you have not seen A Clockwork Orange, that is such a crazy classic movie. It's from the 70s. It's wackadoodle. And I forget the actor who's in it, but he's famous. And he's been in like Doomsday, I think 28 Weeks Later. He's been in a lot of like horror movies and he's excellent. So it is wrapped up. Let me open this. It's Morocco Plus. Let me hold it up so you can see. And then it's got the main character's eye makeup and hat. I can't remember what it's called. But that's cool. I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but it's still neat. That's something. Ooh, I see something I'm really going to like. Oh, come on out. Tony Tears Leatherface. It's a special edition by Loot Crate. It's a little like doll of Leatherface. Oh my gosh, I love it. It's so cute. He's gonna go in my horror section of my Disney room. And look, there's a bonus backdrop display, so you can cut this out and have Leatherface standing against the bloody wall. Oh, that's actually his wall that usually gets slammed shut with the sliding door. Oh my god, this is so cute. I love it. Okay, that's a win. Very happy with that. Okay, now this, oh, my box just almost fell. This says, enjoy only noodles. Oh, it's from the Lost Boys. One of Us snack bowl, thank you. So I'm not a huge Lost Boys fan. My husband loves the Lost Boys and could watch it over and over and over, but it's, I don't know, maybe it's just too cheesy for me, but it's literally a snack bowl. And it's got different things all around the sides. It says, enjoy only noodles. One of Us, thank you. Okay. It is, I'll use it for, well, I don't eat ramen because I'm on low carb, but I wonder if it's dishwasher safe. Oh, hand wash only, do not microwave. Come on now. I need that. So I don't know if I'll be using this because it's hand wash and not microwave safe. And I'm all about the laziness in this life over here at this house. So, okay, so far my favorite is the Leatherface. And then at the bottom it says, thanks for being a looter. Learn about what's in your Loot Crate. And there's a QR code from Team Loot Crate. I thought maybe something else fell out, but I guess that's it for this month. I don't know what this is. Oh, is this Leatherface's apron? Oh my gosh, if this is an apron, guys, I will be using this because I need an apron desperately for my kitchen. And I always say I'm going to get one, but I never find one that I like. Is it? Is it? Look at this apron. It says W.E. Slaughter's Barbecue, and it's got all this blood all over it. It's an apron. I will totally... Oh, hold on. I don't want to mess... Hold, please. Look at my new apron. Isn't this precious? I will totally use this because I always get oil on my clothing. So how cool of an apron is this? It's just plastic, and then it's got... It does have a pocket right here. It'd help if I put my glasses on so I could see. And then the other side is just like, I don't know if it's waterproof or what it is. But that's a cool apron. I'm loving it. It says the Texas Chainsaw Massacre on the tag. I am a huge Texas Chainsaw Massacre fan. I've seen the originals. I've seen the remakes. I've seen them all. And I don't care how cheesy they are. I love Texas Chainsaw. With all the blood splatter all the way down. That's cool. So, okay. I like the theme. I noticed that it's not consistently the same thing. Like, they'll have one or two things from the same movie. Just like the first box I opened was Patrick Bateman themed from American Psycho. So we got a Leatherface apron and then the Leatherface character. I'm going to open him because I think he's so cute. Or should I keep him? No, I'm opening him. So maybe one day he would have been worth money. I doubt it, but I'm opening him because I think he's cute. He smells very plasticky. Oh. Is it normal to go, oh, to a chainsaw? Because I think it's cute. Look at that. It's a little chainsaw with blood on it. And then... got it out aggressively. So here's Leatherface. And then you can take his little chainsaw. Oh shit, I thought I broke it. Oh, his hand moves. Okay. So you can wave the chainsaw around. Oh, I did break it. Oh, fuck. There we go. So he can be like... I'm going to chop you up. Ha ha ha. Run, 70s children. And he does stand on the table. So yeah, he's going to go on my horror shelf. He's cute. I like him. So that is my second month of my Loot Fright Crate. So nothing like overly like overwhelming. Well, now this is bent for his background, but it doesn't matter. I'm not going to use it anyways. I think his name's Alex. I can't remember the main character's name from A Clockwork Orange. I feel like it's Alex, but I could be wrong. Leave me a comment below. After I get done filming this video, I will look it up so that I know. And then we've got the Lost Boys Noodle Bowl, which I will give to my husband and maybe he'll use, or I don't know what. But my favorite is my little Leatherface. He's so cute. I just want to play with him. Is it weird that I think he's cute? Probably. Oh well. That's just how I am. So, all right, second month of Loot Fright Crate. I'm going to keep the subscription. Oh, his head moves too. I just dropped his chainsaw. His head moves. Both his arms move. Oh, I can have him hold the chainsaw in this hand too. There we go. So he can pose with the chainsaw. That sounds like a dying cat, but you know what I mean. So second month of Fright Crate, pretty cool. I'm happy. I am going to keep up the subscription until I get a month where it's like really bad. But so far, I'm going to keep it. We'll see what comes in the next month. They are better on their shipping right now because they were super behind because of COVID. But they've gotten better because this is the September month. So I'll get another box in November. And then I'll open that up and you guys can let me know what you think. So I hope you like this video and me playing with my cute little new toys. If you're not following me on social media, everything will be linked in the comments down below. Make sure you hit that subscribe and bell notification so you can be alerted every time I upload a new video. And if you're not following me on social media, what are you waiting for? Keep up with me in my life and my YouTube videos all on social media. Again, everything will be linked down below. It is Denise and Leatherface from Wonderland Boutique. And until next time, I will see you real soon. Bye-bye.